Hi, this is Karthik from Wpalgoridm.com. In this video, I'll show you how to install a plugin in WordPress. It's quite simple. I'll show you how. And plugins basically add, modify, or enhance the functionality of your website. There are three methods to do this. Starting with method number one, head over to dashboard entry called plugins. You need to be logged in as an admin to install and activate a plugin. So head over to plugins. Click on plugins or click on add new here. I'll just click on plugins here. And at the top, you have an option to add new plugin. Just click on add new and that will take you right away to the WordPress repository where you can search for a plugin. So if I want to search for a backup plugin, you can type backup into the entry and it will filter out all the backup plugins. I can simply click on this to install the plugin. And once the plugin is installed, I can activate it. You can use other filters while searching for the plugin. So you can go to featured plugins. As the plugin is currently being installed, it's asking me to stay on the page. The plugin is installed. Now I'll click on featured and it will showcase all the plugins that WordPress thinks are necessary for your website. You can also go to popular plugins, right? And you can see Elementor page builder is the fourth most popular plugin on WordPress, even more popular than WooCommerce. But anyway, so you can search for the plugins, install them and activate them. This is just one method of installing and activating a free plugin. Now, how do you install and activate a pro plugin? Well, some plugins require you to have both the free and the pro versions, right? So if I click on plugins, it will take me to the installed plugins on my site, or I can simply click on the installed plugins entry here. Now you can see that I have Elementor. So once you have the free version of the plugin, click on upload plugin and you can click that to toggle on and off this interface. And there's an option to choose file, or you can simply open up your browser wherever you have the plugin, simply click and drag it. And just like that, the plugin is uploaded to your site. You just need to click on install now, and just like that, the pro version of the plugin is installed. Now if you do not wish to drag and drop, you can simply use this choose file option and locate your plugin and simply click that and click on upload. Either way, it's the same, and then click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, you need to click on activate. You can go to your installed plugins here, click on activate. It might ask you for the license key that you have purchased. Just enter that and you're good to go. Now the final method is to install and activate a completely pro plugin. There are many examples of this. Divi Builder is one such example, and there are many plugins that do not offer a free version. So you just need to click on add new and click on upload plugin and choose the file from here. And I have a plugin called Advanced Custom Fields Pro. I can simply click that, click on upload and click on install now. Advanced Custom Fields does have a free version, but the pro version itself is enough, self-sufficient. You don't need the free version if you're uploading the pro version. That's one thing to note. So some plugins might require you to have both the free and the pro versions. Some plugins are exclusively pro and they come in the zip package. Some plugins are available in the WordPress repository. That's it for now.